Welcome back to Channel Auto Drive Hub brings you the latest updates on automobiles, from new car launches to in-depth reviews and industry news. The 2025 Škoda Rapid has been officially discontinued, marking the end of its journey in the market. Škoda's decision to discontinue the Rapid comes as part of its strategy to refresh its lineup with new models that align with evolving customer preferences and industry trends. The Rapid was a well-known name in the sedan segment, offering a balance of performance, comfort, and practicality. Over the years, it built a loyal customer base, thanks to its solid build quality, European styling, and engaging driving experience. However, with changing market dynamics and the growing preference for SUVs and crossovers, sedans like the Rapid have faced declining demand. This shift in consumer interest has influenced Škoda's decision to replace the Rapid with newer models that cater to current market trends. The discontinuation of the Rapid does not mean that Škoda is stepping away from the sedan segment entirely. Instead, the brand is focusing on modernizing its lineup with advanced features, updated designs, and improved technology to stay competitive in the market. The Rapid was known for its strong and efficient engine options, which provided a good balance between performance and fuel efficiency. It offered multiple powertrain choices over its life cycle, including petrol and diesel variants, which appealed to a wide range of buyers. The car's handling and ride quality were among its strong points, making it a preferred choice for enthusiasts who enjoyed spirited driving. The interior of the Rapid featured a functional and well-built cabin with comfortable seating and a practical layout. Although it lacked some of the latest tech features found in newer cars, it offered essential amenities that made it a reliable daily driver. The discontinuation of the Rapid creates space for Škoda's new generation of vehicles, which are expected to come with modern features, improved safety, and better connectivity options. The upcoming models will likely incorporate Škoda's latest design language, offering a more contemporary and stylish appeal to attract a broader customer base. With the increasing demand for SUVs, Škoda has also been expanding its SUV lineup, which has gained significant popularity in recent years. While sedans like the Rapid have their own charm and driving dynamics, the trend toward SUVs and crossovers has impacted their sales. Many manufacturers have been shifting their focus towards SUVs due to their higher ground clearance, spacious interiors, and perceived road presence, which appeal to a larger segment of buyers. Škoda's decision to discontinue the Rapid aligns with its vision for the future, where it aims to introduce new models that better cater to current market needs. The Rapid played an important role in establishing Škoda's presence in the sedan segment, and its legacy will be remembered by enthusiasts and owners who appreciated its performance and reliability. The used car market may see an increase in demand for well-maintained Rapid models, as buyers looking for a budget-friendly sedan with European build quality might still find value in this car. Škoda continues to focus on innovation and customer satisfaction, ensuring that its future models offer an enhanced driving experience with advanced technology and modern features. While the Rapid's journey has come to an end, Škoda remains committed to delivering vehicles that align with customer expectations and market trends. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest automotive news, and if you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive Hub for more car reviews, industry insights, and exciting updates.